Right, so guys, today got a big video today, putting on some side skirts on the car. So we've got side skirts and front splitter, and I think we're going to be painting the grille in this video, so it's going to be a big one for the looks on the car. We've got the splitter and the skirts in front of me, and they're just going to look too sick. So yeah, I'm going to turn you around now, show you them. So we go, we've got MAXTON Design front splitter. You can see it's got the badge on it. It's proper nice, fits my car, looks dead good. It's got the screws in that end, so I'll show you how it fits on. And they're the splitters behind. They're just universal ones, which are just a bit too long, so we got cut them. And then yeah, they're all going on the car, so yeah, it's gonna look a lot sicker today. But let's get started. So guys, I'm also upgrading my headlight bulbs on the lights to white ones, LED ones. So these are the old, these are the new, and I'll show you how I did it on the other one. But yeah, I'm just checking that this one works, so I just thought I'd show you. So yeah, they're going to be white now, matching the main beam. So yeah, be looking ultra bright and everything. It's going to be looking good today. So then guys, I've now changed all the lights. So I've changed one side. So I'll show you the beam, the difference. So as you can see, that's the new white bulb, that's the old one. So yeah, you can see the difference in them. Makes it look a lot newer. So yeah, splitter going on after I've done the other light, which I'll do with a quick. And there we are guys, both of the headlights now with the white looking new, looking nice. So yeah, we'll do a quick click and we'll put the grille back in and shut the bonnet. There we are guys, now it's looking hella clean. We're going to get the front splitter all screwed on now, so we're going to drill the pilot holes through now. Yeah, so I'm going to try and show you how I do that. Yeah, so just give me a sec and I'll have yourself. So then guys, here we are under the car. I'm going to remove the scuttle panel, or whatever, the rock panel, whatever you want to call it. I'm going to remove that just so I can see what I'm screwing through here, which will be this plastic. The bumper is split there, but that is the only bit that's bad. This was all unclipped, just like hanging out and stuff, but I've pushed it in as well as I can. See that split just affects that one clip there, but other than that, it looks a lot better than it did just. But yeah, so I've just rebuilt that, put it back so it all matches. Like that side's completely fine, but it's this side must have just had a hit or something, but I've fixed it now, so doesn't look too bad, and the splitter should just bolt straight on. So yeah, I'm gonna get rid of this and then I'll show you where I'm at. Right, and so guys, I've taken the bumper off. As you can see, it's completely not on the car. It's outside, so yeah, we've just cleaned the bottom of it, refitted the plastic to it properly, and now we're going to be drilling the holes through the splitter and through the bumper so that we can bolt it to the bottom of the bumper. So yeah, that's what we're doing now, and then we'll mask it all up and paint the lower grills, and then yeah, we'll see what happens after that. Right, and so guys, I'm currently drilling my bumper for the first time. Hopefully never have to do this again. That's the first hole drilled. So now we've got to do another one here, another one here, another one here, and at least another one here, but I'll probably put in a few more just to make it that extra bit stronger. But they're the ones you recommended to do. So I'm going to do this side now, and then we can stop holding it and just bolt it onto it. So yeah, see you when I've got it bolted on, and yeah, we'll start drilling some more holes. So then guys, we've drilled the holes for the splitter now, but we've decided to take it off and spray the lower grills with some gloss black, because they're like this matte plastic black, so we're just painting them. I've cleaned them all down. I'm just going to start applying the paint now. It's all masked up and taped up everywhere, so yeah, we're going to get painting and see how it turns out. So then guys, as you can see, I've done the second coat now. It's getting a lot glossier. It's just going completely black, to be honest. You can't really see it. Yeah, it's I'm gonna do one more coat tonight, let it all dry, and then apply some clear in the morning, and then fit the bumper later on tomorrow. So yeah, that's what it'll be. It'll be on tomorrow, and then you'll get to see the final finished product. But as you can see, that's how we're looking at it now. Just using some gloss black paint. I'm not really that too bothered about how bad this comes out, but how good or bad it comes out, sorry. But yeah, it's gonna be good when the car's all put back together. It's gonna be looking a lot cleaner and everything else. So yeah, just waiting for this coat dry, and then I can apply the last one, and then yeah, that'll be it for tonight. Right then guys, it's the next day now. All the paint's dry, so I'm gonna take the paper off. Yeah, so just start. It's only sellotaped on, so it shouldn't be too hard. I'll do this on my own because I'm not got anyone videoing me, so I'll just do this and then I'll show you what it looks like. So then guys, it's all off now. It's not the best paint job, but it's alright. But yeah, you won't see any of the little bits when it's the other way up because it's upside down currently, but it's looking a lot darker, which is what we're going for. So then guys, we're about to put the splitter back on, so you can see all the holes I've drilled. We had it all lined up yesterday. I've peeled all the cover off now, so that's the finished gloss look on it. It's got the little MAXTON Design badge there, so get that on. And I'll do that really quick. So guys, there it is. It's all bolted on, look. It's pretty overkill with the bolts, but you know, you don't want it to fall off when you're driving down the road, so it's fully bolted on now. Yeah, so we'll get this flipped over and I'll show you that. There you are guys, look, so it looks a lot meaner, more aggressive. Looks dead good, especially with the painted grills now. It just matches a bit better. Obviously it's not going to be a perfect match, but it just makes it look that little bit extra cleaner. So yeah, it's looking dead good now guys. So we'll get this on the car now, do a few time lapses on how I put it together and everything. But yeah, it's going to be looking pretty freaking sick. So then guys, as you can see, the bumper's back on. It's not bolted on yet, but we're doing that now. Yeah, so the splitter looking hella clean. I'm just getting a better space. Yeah, it looks, yeah, it adds that extra bit of beefiness to the car. Obviously got to get the number plate back on. Got to do quite a few things. Got bolt all underneath. But yeah, it's clipped on, it's in position. That's how it'll look in the end. Obviously got to get the grill back on and everything, but yeah, it's going to look pretty good. So yeah, I'll catch you in the next time lapse. So then guys, here we are in the pit. It's kind of hard to film under here because the car's not up on anything, so it's just sat on the floor, so I'm crouched down in here. So I'm just going to show you what I'm doing. Basically, this is the bumper, and this is like the plastic under the car. I've just bolted them two bolts, there's one there and one there, just so it connects. This piece of plastic is now connected to the bumper. Show you on the other side. See how this bit here, it's loose. It's just not bolted in. Yeah, so I'm gonna do that now. And then I've got to put this plastic panel back on underneath here just to cover the engine, protect the engine. And then that's the bumper all bolted on and ready to go. So then we'll be on to the side skirts and the eyelids. So yeah, see you in a minute. So then guys, as you can see now, that bolt's in there and the other one's in over there. So yeah, that's all buttoned up. Sorry about that, that was a burp. Yeah, so now, just move these out of the way. I've got to get this panel, this one, back on above my head, basically. Covers all this. There's these clips here on the front, and they like slot in between these two panels, and then bolted in through there, as you can see. So yeah, doing that now. As you can see, it's pretty awkward under here. Hard to film, so I'm just going to do that and then I'll show you what it looks like. It's not very interesting, but show you that and then the bumper's on and I can show you what it looks like. So then guys, we're here again. We're doing another mod. This time we got headlight eyelids, so yeah, they just stick onto the headlights pretty much. So basically, first thing you want to do is pop your bonnet, sorry, which I've already done, as you can see. So they just sort of sit on like that. It's kind of hard to show you. Just like that, really. Only a minor touch, but you'll see the big difference it makes at the end. So I'll show you how to do this first one, but that's basically how they go. So yeah. So then basically guys, what you're going to do is you're just going to peel back this like red plastic. Like so, it's just on the sticky stuff. Same as one of the other mods, I can't remember which one. The door sills in the car, so you just want to peel that off, just like that, and then basically just line it up. And it will just sort of hook on into place, just like so. And you just want to apply some force onto it, make sure it's all stuck down and in place. As you can see, I reckon that's probably on now, so just do that. I'm going to shut my bonnet just so you can see the difference they make. So that's that side with it on. It's only subtle, but it looks a lot cleaner. Just looks that bit more meaner at the front. So I'll do the other one with a quick. Right, and so guys, as you can see, I've put the eyelids on now, and it's looking a lot meaner, especially with the gloss black grills. It's looking a lot better, and purple brakes look good with the car now, as you can see, just hidden behind there. It's looking a lot lower at the front. Thing with the side skirts is I couldn't get the universal ones to fit, so we might have to get some more MAXTON Design ones of them. So yeah, they might be coming in a future video. I couldn't fit it on today just because they were just a bit too wobbly when I tried, so I've decided to leave that out. But yeah, that'll be it for today's video. Thanks for watching. This golf's coming on now, so I'll see you in the next one. I'm doing a service on the car. The next mod on the car will be wrapping the roof. So yeah, see you in the next one. Here's the cinematic.